Okay, welcome to Kemp Winter Science. Today we're going to test the idea whether or not you can actually freeze a banana hard enough to use as a hammer. So I've got a common 8-penny nail here, soft piece of wood. One frozen hammer. We've left it outside for about an hour and a half. It's 7 degrees Fahrenheit, that's about -14 on the Celsius scale. Wind's blowing about 15 to 20 miles an hour, giving us a wind chill of -12 Fahrenheit. That's about -24 on the Celsius scale. So let's go and see if we can hammer a nail with our frozen banana. Here we go. Ready? Let's give it a try. Totally busted that myth right off the bat. Try it again, but looks like that's not gonna work, folks. Sorry. Saw that on TV this morning. I don't know how cold it was where they were, but looks like 7 degrees Fahrenheit's not quite cold enough. That banana is not quite frozen. You know what, we'll leave it outside. We'll give it another try in a couple of hours and see how it goes. But right now, myth does not appear to be something that, well, it's a myth. It can't be true. So let's get it outside and we'll try it again later.
All right, so I've got a pan here that's been sitting out in this temperature for about 15 minutes. It is currently 5 degrees outside, and it also feels like it's -16 degrees. We're gonna attempt freeze frying an egg. So you can see it's starting to freeze around the edges. The yolk has gotten really kind of thick, and I don't know if you can tell on this side, the yolk is also starting to get turn a different color. So you can see here where some of the egg white has also frozen directly to the pan. We'll see how long it takes for it to completely change. Be back in a little bit. All right, and there is our freeze-fried egg.
About 1 minute later.
Gotta love Kemp Science. It.
We started out a few hours ago with a frozen banana, but we tried to hammer a nail into a soft board. Didn't work. We left this outside though now for a few hours. It's 5 degrees Fahrenheit, so we're going to give it another try. So here we go. Let's see if the banana can act like a hammer if it's frozen sufficiently. Did put a hole in the banana, but look folks, I actually nailed that nail into the board. How about that? that myth is not a myth at all. It's a confirmed truth. You can actually freeze a banana and have it act like a hammer. Thanks so much for watching our Kemp winter science videos. Thank you so much.